pytest, assert almost equal. How to do assert almost equal with pytest for floats without resorting to something like. More specifically, it will be useful to know a neat solution for quickly comparing pairs of float, without unpacking them.
I noticed that this question specifically asked about pytest. Pytest 3.0 includes an approx function, well, really class, that is very useful for this purpose.
You will have to specify what is almost for you. To apply to tuples or any sequence. Update. pytest.approx was released as part of pytest v3.0.0 in 2016. This answer predates it. Use this if. You don't have a recent version of pytest and you understand floating point precision and its impact to your use case. For practically all common scenarios, use pytest.approx as suggested in this answer.
If you have access to NumPy, it has great functions for floating point comparison that already do pairwise comparison with numpy.testing. Then you can do something like
These answers have been around for a long time, but I think the easiest and also most readable way is to use unittest for its many nice assertions without using it for the testing structure. Get assertions, ignore rest of unittest.test case. Based on this answer, make some assertions. Implement original questions auto unpacking test. Just use to unpack your return value without needing to introduce new names.
Vielen Dank, Frau Senhore. Der sieht uns in der Subscribing.